Hello guys, welcome back to our channel LifeQ. My name is Deb, and today we are back with an unboxing of a smart band here. So this one is a little bit of a hybrid. This is not exactly a band, but it is not exactly a smartwatch. It is somewhere in between. So we'll see how this looks. So this one is the Redmi Smart Band Pro from MI. So we have the Mi branding here. That's how it looks. The box is really nice. It has a little bit of shine and like a hologram, not exactly, yeah, but it's nice, right? So let me show you on the box and then we'll do the actual unboxing. So 3.73 centimeter crisp and clear AMOLED display. So this is an AMOLED, not an LCD, and this has blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, 100 plus exercise mode. So if you remember amazfit, which is another brand of MI subsidiary, so that the amazfit beep, those at around 60 plus. So this one is 100 plus exercise mode, so that is a considerable upgrade from the amazfit bips. So 2-week long battery life, and this side, yeah, 5 ATM water resistance, so you can go swimming, you can go bathing, you can do whatever you want to like. Magnetic charging, okay, we'll see that in a moment. Sleep tracking, okay, always on heart rate monitoring, of course, the usual things. So coming to the back, fitness band unit, fitness tracker. Okay, now here comes the interesting part. The MRP of this is 5,999, but you will never guess how much I bought this for. I got this for 999 from Amazon. Yeah, this was once in a rare moon type of offer. I kept an eye out on this one, and once I saw that it just came down to the lowest it has ever come. Right now it has again gone back to 3,999. But yeah, I was lucky, so keep an eye out. You might again get that at around 999 again. So imported by Xiaomi, and of course it is made in China, and country of origin is for 2022, so not that new. It's almost 6 to 7 months old. Okay, now seal at the bottom, seal at the top. So let us go ahead and do the unboxing of this one. So the box is a little bit different from the amazfits or the MIs, even if this is Redmi. Okay, so yeah, it's very similar experience, unboxing experience with the ones from the amazfits. It's almost like same material, same type of box. Okay, is there, I expect there is, yeah, there is the manual, some paperwork, and the charger. Alright, let us keep the box aside and first of all have a look at the manual. Redmi Smart Band Pro. Okay, nice and simple and short, not a very big fat book, so less wastage of paper. So now let's have a look at the charging cable. So this is supposed to be magnetic. All right, so this looks very similar to the one we saw in the amazfit Pop 2, not the usual ones from MI. Let me see, I think I have the amazfit here. I think it will even fix it. Yeah, very similar, and yeah, not the exact fit, but it is similar. Okay, and USB A to this one. Okay, now let's have a look. Let's have a look at our main star of today's video. Let's do that. Let's bring this out. Okay. So in the picture it looks a bit bigger, but yeah, it is a band. You cannot confuse it for a smartwatch. And let me show you. Okay, it looks, the band and all is very similar to the MI band 3 and 4 and all these things, and Redmi branding here. So this one is a bit different. Usually the band that goes around the strap, but this one has a quick release. You can press here and this will come out. So I am not going to try that right now because I haven't done it before, something like this. Okay, sensors here and here. The charger is here. Okay, let's do the magnetic test of this one, how well this will hold up. Okay, how is this? Okay, usually MI chargers, the magnets are very strong. So yes, this passes our magnetic cable test. So usually when you put this for charging, some of the chargers from other brands usually comes off. That happens in the amazfit Pop 2, but this one is very strong. You can simply put it like this and forget about it, and this will keep charging. All right, and there is no physical button on any side. Let me see, I think we'll have to just press and hold, and if there is any charge, this will turn on. Right, so I have turned this on. That is a bit of a difficulty when you do not have any physical button, so I just plugged it in with the charger and it plugged it on. Alright, so this is how it looks. The screen is very bright. I haven't set it up yet, but this is really bright and the screen is quite big. So I have with me the MI Band 6 here, and MI Band 6 is actually longer than this. I think the height of this is longer than the one that we have here, and the width of this is not that big. So yeah, I don't think this will make of course reading the messages and all will be a little bit easier in the Redmi Band, but I think it won't make that much of a difference. So when I saw the pictures of this, I was under the impression that this is much bigger, just for comparison's sake. So this one here, this is the amazfit bip. So you can see side by side, this is a typical smartwatch, you can say that. And I have another one here for comparisons purposes. This is the amazfit pop, and this is the Redmi Pro. So you can see, let me also put the MI Band side by side. So this is how it looks. This is a typical smartwatch, the size of this one. So beside that, this is how it looks, the Band Pro. So yeah, a little bit more real estate. So I think yeah, if you can get it at around 900 or 1500, something like that, I would say this is worth it. But I would say I love the screen of this one. This is a full AMOLED screen and this looks really good. So the first impression of this is quite good. I like it so far. I'll set this up and I'll be doing the full review of this really soon. Stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll answer each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.